What if we told you that with just a few words you could control almost every aspect of your Tesla? Sounds like something straight out of the future, right? Well, it's not. But here's the thing, many Tesla owners don't even know about half of the amazing things voice commands can do. There's so much beyond just play music or navigate home. There are essential ones, comfort-providing ones, and ones that are just fun to have. Whether you drive a Model S, 3, X, or Y, these commands will save you a lot of time. How? Well, let's start with one of the handiest features, climate control. We've all been there, trying to adjust the temperature while driving, only to get distracted by the touchscreen. With Tesla's voice commands, that's no longer a problem. Instead of fiddling with the screen, just press the button on your steering wheel and say, "Make it cooler," or "Make it warmer." The temperature will adjust by 3 degrees, just like that. Need something more specific? Say, set the temperature to 72 degrees, and you're good to go. What about your passengers? Tesla has that covered too. Say, cool down the passenger, or warm up the passenger, and it'll focus on their comfort without you lifting a finger. You can even control the airflow. Want it aimed at your face? Just say, direct airflow to my face. Too cold? Direct airflow away from my face. It's that simple. And if you want to sync the temperature for both sides, say, sync driver and passenger temperature. It'll automatically adjust for a consistent climate throughout the car. Next, let's talk about windshield wipers. Let's talk about those unpredictable rainy days. Ever struggled to adjust your windshield wipers while it's pouring and you can barely see? Tesla makes that a thing of the past. All you have to do is press the voice command button and say, turn on the windshield wipers. They'll start right up. Need to change the speed? Just say wipers to medium or wipers to max, depending on how heavy the rain is. When the rain stops, just say turn off windshield wipers and you're done. What if the rain keeps changing in intensity? No worries. Say wipers to auto and Tesla will adjust the wipers for you based on how much rain it detects. Next is a really cool feature called dog mode. Tesla isn't just about convenience for you, it also looks out for your pets. Dog mode is a lifesaver for pet owners, and it's super easy to turn on with just your voice. If you're running an errand and need to leave your dog in the car, simply say turn on dog mode, and Tesla keeps the cabin temperature comfortable. It even displays a message on the screen letting anyone passing by know that your dog is safe and the car is climate controlled. What if you forget to turn off dog mode when you're back? Just say turn off dog mode, and Tesla will shut it down automatically. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about getting around. Tesla's navigation is super smart, and you can control it completely with your voice. Want to go home? Just say navigate home. Need food? Navigate to the nearest restaurant. We'll pull up nearby options. Looking for something specific? Just say navigate to Target, and Tesla will find the best route. But what if you don't want to hear voice directions? Just say mute voice guidance, and the car will follow the route quietly. Still get directions, but no talking. What's better than that? Want to switch it back on later? Say unmute voice guidance, and it's back to normal. Also, Tesla has introduced an updated version of the summon feature, dubbed Actually Smart Summon. With this feature, you can now summon your Tesla to your location or a specific spot, all through the Tesla app. The system now shows live camera feeds, making it easier to track your car's movements in real time. Just say, come to me, and your Tesla will navigate towards you without you being inside the car. Next, we've got something equally important. Tesla's infotainment system is amazing. With apps like Netflix, Disney+, and Spotify, you can turn charging breaks into fun mini-entertainment sessions. Also, Tesla integrated both YouTube Music and Amazon Music into its infotainment system. If you have a YouTube Premium or Music Premium account, you can access over 100 million songs directly from the Tesla interface. Similarly, Amazon Prime members can enjoy ad-free music and top podcasts through Amazon Music. And the best part, you don't need to swipe through menus to get started. Let's say you're charging and want to watch a show. Just say, open Netflix, and it appears on your screen. Want music instead? Just say, play whatever song name you want on Spotify. Or play any artist's name on Apple Music, and Tesla will start playing it. You can even say change to radio or change to Bluetooth to switch sources. But what if you don't like the song playing? No problem. Just say next song and it'll skip to the next one without you lifting a finger. What if you want to pause the music or video? Just say pause and Tesla handles it. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Tesla tips and tricks. Ever needed to open the glove box but didn't want to mess with the touchscreen? Tesla's design is sleek, but it can be tricky to find the button, unless you know the command. Just say, open the glove box and it pops open instantly, letting you grab what you need while driving or parked. What if your hands are full? No problem, use the voice command and the glove box opens without you needing to do anything else. Need to close it too? Just use the touchscreen or push it to shut manually. Easy, right? Running low on charge? No need to panic. Tesla's supercharger network is huge and finding one is super easy with voice commands. Just say, take me to the nearest supercharger, and Tesla will show you nearby stations. Even better, Tesla gives real-time updates on how many charging spots are available, so you can choose the one with the shortest wait. What if the nearest supercharger is full? No worries, Tesla will suggest other stations nearby, keeping you on the move. Not sure how long you'll need to charge? Tesla will estimate charging time and let you know how soon you'll be back on the road. Feeling cold? You don't even need to reach for the controls. Just say, turn on the heated seats, and they'll warm right up. Want specific levels? Set driver's seat to high, or set rear seats to low and you're all set. Cold hands? Just say, turn on the steering wheel heater, and it'll start heating instantly. What if you start getting too warm? Simple. Just say, turn off seat heaters, and you'll cool back down. Want only one heated seat? You can control each seat individually by just asking Tesla to adjust it. Got your hands full? No need to struggle with buttons. Just say, open the trunk, and it opens for you, making loading and unloading a breeze. Need to charge your Tesla? Just say, open butthole, and the charge port opens, ready for you to plug in. When you're done, say, close the charge port, and it'll shut automatically. What if your hands are too full to press any buttons? No worries, just use the voice commands, and Tesla will handle everything. Need to pop open the front trunk too? You can say, open the front, and it'll open up just as easily. Tesla has a playful side too, and one of the ways it shows this is through its hidden Easter eggs and fun commands. If you want to bring a bit of holiday cheer into your car, just say ho 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 and watch what happens. Want to warm up the seat in a hilarious way? Say eject passenger seat, and the seat heater will crank up to the max. You can also get the car to sing you a song by saying, sing me a song, and it'll surprise you with a random tune. What if you're feeling curious and just want to see what your Tesla can do? Try out these fun commands and who knows, you might discover a new Easter egg that'll keep you entertained. And there you have it, the voice commands you need to know to unlock the full potential of your Tesla. Whether it's making your ride more comfortable, finding your way around, or just adding a bit of fun to your drive, Tesla's voice command system truly has something for everyone. If you learned a lot from this video so far, make sure to click on the next one for accessories for your Tesla you never thought about.